So in this video I'm going to show you how to annotate an object in a video and then make it follow that object in the frame. So it's basically an animation path for the annotation. So first thing to do is just move the timeline to the point where you want to start the annotation. So I know it's here and here. I'm going to draw a loop around the surfer. Then I'm going to long press on the annotation marker on the timeline, and I'm going to say edit track. So now I can move the timeline along. As you can see, the annotation is highlighted on the main, selected on the main screen, and then I'm just going to move it as I move the time along. There we go. I just need to move it back to and down a bit again, just to keep the object in the middle of the loop. So a bit to the left. Now I can scale it as well and then record that. And move that along to the left again. Maybe a bit bigger. And what MovieMarkup will do, it's recording key frames along the timeline for this annotation, and it'll smoothly interpolate between these frames. So that takes it right a bit bigger on the last one maybe. So then we look at that, we can play. Okay, there was a bit at the beginning when it wasn't so good, so you can go back and review that, which I'll do now. So on to the beginning again. So it's exactly the same thing. Properties of that annotation, edit track, and we'll just scrub along a bit until we see the bit where it just goes off just about here, isn't it? So again, just move it up, and you see on the bottom line it's producing a red square for each key point on that track, and you can actually move those, just drag those along as you see fit as well. I think we've got to play again.